It's a 2015 Porsche 911. You can judge this book by its cover. Its powerful H6 engine will blow you away, just like the sleek design suggests. The smart interior layout matches the standard set by the exterior and is filled with all the amenities you need to accentuate your drive. Leather seats, dual exhaust, four-wheel suspension, and headlamp washers are just a few examples of a complete effort to address every driving need.
It comes with a navigation system to easily guide you to your destination. The high-quality leather seat trim enhances the style, comfort, and durability of this vehicle's seats, ensuring an enjoyable drive. Keep your headlights looking their very best and make sure they're as bright as they should be with the headlight cleaning system.
See this captivating 911 today.
Stop in today and see what luxury is all about at Pacific Porsche. We're conveniently located in Torrance at 2900 Pacific Coast Highway.